Jesus, what a friend for sinners. Jesus, lover of my soul. Friends may fail me, foes assail me. He, my Savior, makes me whole. The Lord has given me a tongue to speak His word to those who are lost, to lift up the weary soul and show them the way at any cost. He wakes me up each morning, ready to hear His voice, to share His love and His mercy and help others make the right choice. Oh, Jesus, what a friend for sinners. He's with me to the end, helping, loving, guiding, saving, my Savior and my friend. He's the strength when I am weak, the comfort when I'm in pain. Jesus, you are my song, forever I'll proclaim. When shadows fall and doubts arise, and I feel I can't go on, your Spirit whispers in my ear, and I find my strength in you alone. He's my refuge, my hiding place, my victory in the fight. With His word and Spirit guiding, I'll walk in His holy light. Oh, Jesus, what a friend for sinners. He's with me to the end, helping, loving, guiding, saving, my Savior and my friend. Jesus, what a help in sorrow, while the billows roll. Even when my heart is breaking, He restores my soul. I do now receive Him, more than all I find. He has granted me forgiveness and peace within my mind. Jesus, what a friend for sin.